If you're experiencing audio desync issues in Call of Duty, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you get back to enjoying the game with synchronized sound. Step 1. Check audio settings. Ensure that your audio settings in the game are configured correctly. Go to the audio settings menu and verify that the output device is set to the correct speakers or headphones. Adjust the audio mix settings if necessary. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Outdated audio drivers can cause desync issues. Visit the website of your audio device manufacturer or use the driver update tool to download and install the latest drivers for your sound card. Step 3. Adjust game and system audio sync. Some systems allow you to adjust the audio sync settings. Check your system audio settings and look for any options related to audio delay or sync. Adjust these settings to see if it resolves the issue. Step 4. Restart the game and system. Sometimes a simple restart can fix audio issues. Close the game completely and restart your gaming system. Launch the game again to see if the audio is now in sync. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the problem persists, consider reinstalling Call of Duty. Uninstall the game from your system, then download and install it again. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing audio desync. By following these steps, you should be able to fix audio desync issues in Call of Duty. If problems continue, consider reaching out to support forums or the game's customer service for further assistance.